So, existential quantifier. So, ang morning symbol sa existential quantifier kanang nabaliktad na E. So, the existential quantifier is used to express that there exists at least one element in given domain for which the predicate is true. So, meaning, the exists at least one, dili kinahanglan tanan value true. Basta naay lang usa ka example nga true, sakto na ang statement. So, example is essential, open parenthesis, x and less than 0, and close parenthesis means there exists an x such that x is less than 0. So, in IT, checking if a database has a list or one negative value like a diff or error code, basta naa lang usa ka satisfied na kondisyon. Then, example, existential user. User is online equals true. So, in chat application, basta na at least one user online, makaingon ta nga someone is online. Dili kinahanglan na tanan user online, basta naa lang usa ka active true na ang statement. So, next example is sa files, like existential files. Files that type equals virus, ngana. So, in antivirus software, basta na-detect nga naa at least one infected file, so the program will trigger a warning. So, even if only one file is a virus, the statement become a true.